Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to create Toposolid and edit it by using points to make contours fast for the project. We'll make sure to create path in the topography using subdivide tool. So let's start. First, we will make Toposolid, and then from that Toposolid, we will create contours. So to create the Toposolid, go to the site view first, and then from meshing and site, select Toposolid, create from sketch, and draw a sketch according to the site requirements. I'll draw a rectangle like this, and okay. If you see in the 3D, then it looked like this. So I don't want like this Toposolid. I will edit it. Go to the edit type, and then from structure edit, here insert one more parameter and move it up and make it 2-inch thick, and select grass, create material of grass. No grass here, we will create new material and then rename grass, enter, and then select grass from default materials and load it here, and then apply, okay. And then structure, first convert it as finish one, and then structure, make it 10 feet, that is for the soil, and select soil or earth, okay, okay, apply, okay. We have created our Toposolid. Now we will create contours from Toposolid. We will edit the Toposolid to create the contours. So if you click it, then you can see here some modify tools. We can modify it by adding the elements or by lines. So we will use points. First, I want to explain you something. If I select a point and make the elevation maybe 8 feet and place a point somewhere, then you can see all the points are converging at that point. Our Toposolid is converging to that point. So this is how it works. So what we will do, we will first create the points, add points with zero elevation, and then we will edit the elevation. Let me add the points first. We have added the points. Also, add points at zero elevation on the boundary of the house so that Toposolid don't merge into our house. So I will go to the wireframe, then on the boundaries at zero elevation, we'll add some points. You can add at the boundary line also, and then escape. And now we have to assign the elevation. What we will do, we want to create a slope, a continuous slope from here to here and here, this side. So we will select points in one line and assign the elevation maybe 2 feet or 3 feet. Sorry, 2 feet, enter. It's not assigning. Try again, modify elements, and now select. You can select like this by dragging the mouse, but be careful, don't select other elements. Now if you see, we can see in the 3D that it's making our contour on this way, and our house is not changing. Toposolid is not merging into our house. Similarly, select other line and make it 5 feet maybe, like this. Again, and repeat the process. Now check the 3D. Now if you can see, we have developed a nice contour here, and if some elements are irregular, you can just select them and move up and down like this, or from here or here you can change the elevation. If you want to make it more smooth, then you have to add more points. Add points and then add like this, so it will become more smooth. Number of points will be great, and then it will be more smoother wherever you want. But remember, if you add more points, then it will be difficult to manage it later. It will be more complex. So we'll see again. Now you can see it's more smoother than first one. Our contour is ready. You can make it by CAD file also. You have to insert the CAD file and add the points, and on the CAD file it is mentioned that how much elevation that point carries, and you can just put that elevation value. That's so simple. Now I want to make a path here. So to create a path, select the topo solid, and then from here select the subdivide and draw as per your requirement. I will draw as maybe like this. So make it curve like this, trim it, make it curve like this, radius, and make it close. If you want to move it, you can. Sorry. And then make it checked. If you see in the 3D, then it's the same that grass. We have to change the material. But what we'll have to do is click it and go to the edit type, then duplicate and name it as path or walkway, and then structure edit and delete this one. We don't need this. We have to change the grass. We need some path here. So create new material, rename it path, enter, then select some stone here, appearance, select any stone you want, maybe this one. Apply, okay, okay, apply, okay. If you can see, it's created here. Our path is ready. If you want to create a road, you can create with similar method like subdivide. Click it, make it subdivide and duplicate the toposolid and make it asphalt and create the boundary of the road. So simple. Now if you want to add some more elements, like go to the site and site component, select it and add the trees, be like this, a bigger size here, here, here also. It's so simple. Make it hidden and you can see our topography is ready. It's looking really nice. If you can see in the realistic, then it's looking like this. Also, we don't need grass under the house. We need soil here. To make the soil, the same method we will use. Select the toposolid, go to the subdivide, and then edit type and duplicate it. Make it toposolid 2 maybe. And then structure, we will delete the finish and then make the structure earth 10 feet 2 inches. Okay, apply. Okay, and then we will create boundary under the house. Make it wireframe line. Make the check. Join elements. Now if you see in the 3D, it's soil here now. It's looking nice. That was the fastest way to create a topography around your house. I will make a elaborated video to explain you how it actually works and how to import CAD file or CSV file and make the toposolid from it.